fourth flotation process. The methods of concentration of ore, one of the process, fourth flotation process. Fourth flotation process. The process of removal of impurities from ore is called concentration of ore. The process of removal of impurities from ore is called concentration process. These concentration processes are three types. One is hand picking process, navigation process, and fourth flotation process. Now we are discussing about the process of fourth flotation. In this process is used for mainly used for the removal of sulfide ores. Removal of sulfide ores. The flotation is an extractive process where various minerals can be selectively extracted. Flotation is a selective process and can be used to achieve specific separation from complex ores. For example, in polymethyl ore such as lead, zinc, copper, flotation allows separate extraction of lead, zinc, and copper. This method is used for the concentration of sulfide ore. This method also used in case of ore containing very small quantity of mineral particles which are not easily separate from gangue. Zinc sulfide, iron pyrites, copper pyrites, etc. are concentrated by this process. Principle of flotation. This method is based on difference in the wetting of mineral particles, gangue particles with oil and water. When sulfide ores are containing gangue are separated or suspended in a mixture of water and pine oil or olive oil. The pine oil wets only the mineral particles, whereas water wets the gangue particles. Steps involve the mineral recovery through flotation, liberation, establish hydrophobic film on minerals that are not naturally hydrophobic, promote bubbles formation. The process. In this process, the powdered ore is suspended in a mixture of water and fine oil in large tank. Sodium ethyl xanthate is used as coating agent. A strong current of air at more than 2 atmosphere is applied to mixture of water, ore and fine oil. The ore particles rise up along with foam. Collector like fine oil, fatty acids, etc. Non-wettability of mineral particles form fourth stabilizers like cresol, aniline, etc. are used to stabilize the fourth. The fourth flotation process, this is used for the sulfide ores of carbon, lead, zinc. The mixture of sulfide ores are separated by using differentiates. For example, ore containing zinc sulfide and lead sulfide. Collectors. How it is collected? The foam is removed mechanically from the tank and allowed to settle. When foam disappears, the sulfide particles separate out. The gangue settle down at the bottom of tank. A collector's polar head will attach to a polar mineral surface, leaving the non-polar layers towards the surrounding water molecule, rendering the mineral hydrophobic. This is collection process. Now complete the process of fourth flotation. In this figure, we discuss fourth flotation process using powdered ore, water particles, olive oil, mixing together by using. Then after fourth scam containing ore particles, gangue particles settled at the bottom of this figure by passes of 2 atmosphere pressure of air passing through this container. The fourth agent move uprise above the water particles and waste particles of gangue settle at the bottom of the container. Thank you.